Hello, welcome to Tricky IELTS. I'm sure you will be fine. This is one of the important videos for those individuals who cannot write academic task 1 in a fluent manner due to lack of lexical resources. In this video, I'll share essential words which will surely enhance your band score in IELTS writing. Use these words in your own sentences in order to get desired band. Stay here and watch this video till the end. In this video, you will learn vocabulary for increased trend, vocabulary for decreased trend, and vocabulary when the figure remains same, adverb to describe increased and decreased trend, adjective to describe increased and decreased trend. So stay here and watch this video carefully. First, we will discuss upward trends or increased trends. To demonstrate upward or increased trends, we have words. So it means these verbs you can use in present as well as in past tense. So when you want to describe the chart in present tense, so you can use in present, and whenever you want to discuss the graph in past tense and when time period is given, so then you have to use the second or third form. So means you can also use that in past. So for both I'll just share these words. The first word which I'm going to share with you is increase. So means you can use increase in present while you can use increased in past. Elevate, elevated. Accelerate, accelerated. Leap, leaped. Soar, soared. Surge and surged. Go up, went up. Climb and climbed. Now how you will use these words in your own sentences. For example, you want to discuss increase, in present tense. So you can use like this, that the number of pizza consumer increased dramatically in Italy. You can use this in your own way, but I'm just going to suggest you that how you can use these words in present as well as in past. So for past you can use these words like this, that the number of pizza consumer increased sharply during 2007. Now I'll share words which you can use for decreased trend. When something is decreased, so you can use these words. The same is for present as well as for past. So whenever you want to use, whenever you want to discuss the chart in present tense, so then you can use present means first form. Whenever you want to discuss in past, so then you will have to use the second or third form, like sink, sank, ib and ibbed, plunge, plunged, plummet and plummeted, deplete and depleted, subside and subsided, decline and declined. For example, you can use like this, that the number of consumer declined sharply, or the number of consumer declined sharply in 2009. Adverb to describe increase or decrease trend. Means you can use these words for increase as well as for decrease trends. For example, means the highlighted words are adverbs, so you can use that increased sharply, this figure increased sharply, this percentage increased sharply, this figure, or you can say that the number of consumer increased sharply. So means sharply is an adverb which you can use for increase as well as decrease trend, like this number decreased sharply. Soared dramatically, decreased dramatically, declined dramatically, like you can use that shrinked dramatically, elevated rapidly, leaped steeply, accelerated considerably, climbed significantly, increased substantially, accelerated gradually, increased slightly, climbed moderately. When the figure stay constant, so how you can describe that and how you'll use these words that remain same. For example, you will mention like this, that this figure remains same during like this, that the number of the number of card user remain same from 2007 to 2009. The rest you can also use like this, that the number remains stable, the number or the figure remain constant, like this figure stay constant or this figure stay stable. So these words you can use when the figure or number remain constant. Whenever you want to describe a figure, so in that case you can use these words like well over. For example, the figure is 4 and means you think that the percentage or the figure about what you are talking, that is more than 4. So you can use like this, that the figure is well over 4. Now if you just observe that 7 is the figure 7 is more than 4. So in that case we can use well over, that the figure is well over 4. Like whenever you want to discuss that, for example, you are talking about the figure 4 and means the percentage or the figure is 2 that time. So you can use that this number is well under 4. Like here you can use that this number or this percentage, the percentage is well under 4. So means you can describe that upward trends as well as downward trends, like using these words well under and well over. So means you can also use the word just over. For example, now you are talking about the figure 4 and the exact figure about what you are talking, that is 5. So you can use that this figure is just over 4. This figure is just under 4. Now an adjective to describe increase or decrease trend. Like this, that a gradual increase is seen in the number of car buyers during 2020 or 2019, means it's up to the situation that you are talking about present or you are talking about past. So you can use adjective and noun in that case. A sharp decline is witnessed in the number of pizza consumed over the last few decades. And you can use like this, that a sharp decline is witnessed in the number of pizza consumed over the last few decades. The figure for unemployment depicts a slow growth. Means you can use these words, as I have just used these words according to the situation, means for your better understanding I have just used these words. You can use these words whenever you are writing task 1. So it will surely enhance your band score. Means in your IELTS writing task 1 you must have to write passive sentences, active sentences. When you will have to change various type of sentences, you will have to just use various structures, like as I mentioned earlier, that you can use active sentences, passive sentences, and compound and complex sentences. So if you use these words, it will surely enhance your band score, and it will help you to secure your desired band. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.